What if entering a single contract date could automatically calculate your transaction deadlines, create a complete Google Drive folder structure, prepare ready-to-review client email drafts, and keep every important deadline visible before it becomes urgent? That's exactly what CloseTrack is designed to do. CloseTrack is a workflow automation system built specifically for real estate transaction coordinators. In this walkthrough, you'll see how each feature works together to simplify your daily workflow. Let's get started. It all begins in the pipeline. Every transaction begins with the right information. Start by entering your client details, property address, state, and contract date. When you're managing multiple transactions, even small data entry mistakes can lead to missed deadlines and unnecessary stress. Inside the pipeline, simply enter the required transaction information. CloseTrack is designed to keep everything organized from the very beginning. Now, watch what happens. As soon as you enter the contract date, CloseTrack automatically calculates your key transaction deadlines based on your selected state's timeline. There's no need to calculate dates manually, count calendar days, or double-check important deadlines. That means less time spent on administrative tasks and more time keeping your
Entering transactions is only the beginning. Knowing which transactions need your attention is what keeps your workflow on track. As your transaction volume grows, staying organized becomes more important than ever. The Triage Dashboard gives you a clear, real-time view of every active transaction. Everything you entered in the pipeline is automatically organized here for quick review. Whenever you add or update a transaction, simply click Refresh Triage. CloseTrack automatically updates the dashboard with the latest information. There's no need to search through multiple spreadsheets or wonder what needs your attention next. Just one organized dashboard that helps you stay ahead of every transaction.
Every transaction generates documents. Keeping those documents organized is essential for an efficient workflow. But creating the same folder structure manually for every transaction quickly becomes repetitive and time-consuming. With CloseTrack, simply select Create Drive Folder from the Actions menu. The automation instantly creates a complete folder structure for your transaction. Now, let's open Google Drive. You'll see every folder and subfolder already organized and ready to use. There's no manual setup, no clear communication keeps every transaction moving forward, but writing the same emails over and over again takes time away from the work that matters most. Instead of starting every email from scratch, CloseTrack helps you create consistent, professional communication in just a few clicks. Simply select a transaction, click Draft Email, and CloseTrack automatically generates a ready-to-review draft in Gmail. Open Gmail, review the draft, make any changes you'd like, and send it whenever you're ready. No more staring at a blank email or rewriting the same message for every transaction. Faster communication, greater consistency, less repetitive work, every step of the way. Managing a single transaction is straightforward. Managing multiple transactions is where staying on top of deadlines becomes a real challenge. When you're juggling inspections, financing, appraisals, and closing dates across multiple files, it's easy for an important deadline to slip through the cracks. Simply select a transaction, click Push Deadlines to Calendar, and CloseTrack automatically creates the key calendar events for you. Open Google Calendar, and you'll see every important milestone already scheduled and ready to track. No manual event creation, no duplicate entries, and no relying on memory to keep your transactions on schedule. Your most important deadlines stay organized, visible, and always within reach. Successful transaction coordinators don't rely on memory. They rely on systems and repeatable processes that keep every transaction on track. The checklist helps you manage every task from contract to closing, giving you Every brokerage has its own workflow. Different states, different timelines, and different requirements all mean that one process doesn't fit every business. That's why the Settings page gives you full control over state-specific deadlines, email templates, and workflow preferences. Simply update the settings to match the way your team works, And CloseTrack automatically applies those preferences throughout the system. There's no coding, no complex formulas, and no complicated setup required. Transaction coordinators already have enough to manage. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter by simplifying the work you do every day. From automatically calculating deadlines and organizing Google Drive folders, to generating email drafts and syncing important milestones with Google Calendar, CloseTrack brings your entire transaction workflow together in one organized system. Spend less time on administrative tasks. Stay organized. Thank you for watching, and welcome to CloseTrack.